Hey, you guys, welcome back to Shopping with Princess. I am Princess. I am so excited to bring you guys back the third episode. What already? It's already the third week. Like, time is flying. Christmas is this week. And I decided one, you guys know this show is new. I am making it up as I go, I'm figuring it out as I go. And I came up with two things today. One, Monday is going to be my official posting day. So every single Monday, you will get a new episode, a new Shopping with Princess segment. That's number one. Number two, since I am still in my cozy Christmas pajama set, I will be transforming this throughout the year. So I decided it is going to be a not Christmas, a pajama shopping show. So I will be in my cute, cozy pajamas and I will be chatting with you guys and sharing my favorite things. Again, we're going to make it all up as we go. There are no rules. No rules. I'm recording from my phone. I'm in this super cozy place. We're just going to figure it out as we go. Okay, so it's Christmas week. And if you technically don't have a gift yet, you need to figure it out right now. But I have something for you. So since it's Christmas week and I know there's a lot of last minute shopper out there, so I have something I want to share, something that's been changing my life this year. This year I went through one of those transformation. This year was my year where I got out of postpartum. My baby turns 2, and I really just started to like feeling myself again, feeling like myself, feeling myself and feeling good, you know? And I got back to doing my nails. I actually stopped doing my nails, not because of postpartum, because honestly, I couldn't afford it. Because doing postpartum, my business took a hit. On top of it, the times are hard right now, right? The economy is taking us down. And then on top of it, I was dealing with postpartum. I was in a mild postpartum depression. I came into the new year with the mindset I have to dig myself out of this postpartum hole. I have to make this year much better than last year. I just want to feel better. And that's exactly what I did. And because I couldn't afford to do my nails, I actually stopped doing a lot of my beauty things. I even stopped getting my lashes done. I stopped going to get my nails done. And I've always been able to do my own press-ons. But you guys, this year, actually in September, I actually learned how to do my own gel nails, right? But that's not what I'm going to show you guys today. I'm going to give you guys even more simple, right? But I am going to link the kit that I use to do my gel nails, to do my press-ons and make them last a little longer. So these were my Christmas nails when I recorded these. I have changed them since then. Well, to do your press-ons and get them to last over 2 weeks, you want to use the the glue. These are Christmas gifts, by the way. You want to use the nail glue that you will need to use the UV light for, right? These are from Amazon. These will make a great last minute Christmas gift for the girlies in your life, right? So all she needs, one, the nail glue that you need the UV light, um, Amazon, and the actual UV light, right? Again, get these from Amazon, get them overnight to you so you'll be able to have them on time for Christmas. Amazon. This might be white, but it's actually pink. I selected the pink one. So this is what it looked like. It comes with the charger for you to charge it, the plug for you to charge it. And of course, you need nails. You need nails, right? Because you're pretty much giving them a full kit. Actually, something is missing. I did get them something else. This is for one of my nieces. This is for my girlies. something is missing. There's something else I wanted to show you guys. I'm also gonna link. I mean, I don't need to show you guys. I can just tell you guys. I'm also going to link the what you need to soak off. Like when you ready to take off the nails, you use this what you can use to remove the nails. I'm also gonna link it to the LTK. But this is the glue. This is the glue. It is, this was like $9. This was $9. Like you can really get a great gift under $50 for the girly girls in your life who like to get the nails done, honey. Okay, now let's talk nails. Now these are mostly Christmas nails, but these are under like $5, $6. They're less than $10 nails. These are Christmas nails. These are Christmas nails, but you can get Valentine's Day nails, you can get New Year's nails, you can get whatever nails, like just everyday nails, right? Now, I prefer the one that says handmade design. Now, you can use any press-ons. Like I have press-ons like that comes like this for like everyday press-ons. I get my press-ons from Amazon. I get them from Shein. I actually have a lot of press-ons. Like I have all type of press-ons. These are some more Christmas nails. Like I have old Halloween nails that I didn't wear. I have a lot of press-ons. I got press-ons I got from Burlington. So I'm showing you all of this to let you know you can actually use any press-ons, right? But I prefer the when they say they are handmade because I feel like they look better, they last longer. Now I have linked my gel builder in top coat, but these nails come pretty much ready to wear, so you don't need to do anything to them. That's why I decided to just share the glue and the UV light. But you guys, this is it. Like, listen, you get them the UV light, $10. The glue, another $10. Maybe get them a few nails, maybe get them, you know, 3 4 nails to start. Like the whole thing will cost you less than $50. And go on Amazon. I have links, nails linked, everything that I mentioned, I have linked them to my Amazon. You can find the link in the caption, in the comments. You will find it in my bio. Go get it and thank me later. And next week I will come back and share. Maybe next week we'll probably talk about New Year's things because we will be getting into New Year's, and in the following week we're gonna get into Valentine's Days. As soon as we enter January, we will be talking about Valentine's Day stuff. And first is gonna be Valentine's Day pajamas. And right now, I don't know. I think for New Year's, I do have some pajamas to do the New Year's content, so I don't have to buy new pajamas. But definitely, definitely, definitely Christmas pajamas being was definitely been my favorite pajamas so far. So I hope you like my pajamas. I am linking these pajamas. I know it's like it's Christmas week, but I'm linking my pajamas as always. I will link some Valentine's Day pajamas soon on my LTK. Go get them. Thank me later. Again, I am Princess, and I will talk to you next week. Bye.